Hello, grade 4, 5 and 6 common grammar class about the difference between adjectives and adverb. Though it is in grade 5 studio, but as we are doing for the past 2 weeks, I thought it would be really useful for you if you know what is adjectives and adverb. We already have seen it. But if you could know the difference between adjective and adverb, because these both words seems to be similar and sounds similar in some way, it spells similar. So we should not have any confusions. So I am here to teach you about the difference between adjectives and adverbs. Okay, fine. So I would like to appreciate you all for your fantabulous work that you are doing so far. So I would like to give you an adjective that you people are foxy, you people are pulchritudinous, that is you are perfect in beautiful presentation. Fine. So let us get into the class. So today's class will be about the difference between adjectives, and this is the word which we were talking about, and adverb. So we all know what is adjective. When we describe a noun, that is called as adjective. When we know how action is performed, is called as adverb. Okay, I have two basic examples from our textbook. Okay, Pepper is a small puppy. Small is the size of the puppy. So when we describe a noun, we describe with size, we describe with color, we describe with shape, and etc. So here the size is described as a noun for the puppy. So another example, Pepper weaned softly when she heard Asha. So softly can be described how Pepper whined softly. So how action is performed. So this sentence is adverb. So sentence 1 is an adjective and the sentence 2 is an adverb. Okay, I have one small example from activity 1.14 in your studio. That is, there is a 3 column A, column B and column C is what you have to do, and I believe that you have done it. This I am speaking specially for grade 5 now, because this activity is from your book, so this is specially for grade 5. Grade 4 and grade 6 you can take it as a common thing. Okay, column A, Asha is a happy child. Happy is an adjective for the noun child. Here Asha and the child is a noun. Happy is an adjective. B, Asha loved happily. How did Asha loved how happily? So this happily will become an adverb. Fine. Listen. From this example, adverb happily qualifies, describes the verb loved. So what is loved? Loved is the verb. So sometimes we can also define adverb as modifying a verb is called as adverb. In another definition I am telling you. Fine. It tells how Asha laughed. Okay. So from this adverb, not all the adverb ends with ly. So we tell happily, angrily. These are not only the adverb. There are some examples I have written from grade 5 studio. Tommy, this is a cursive T. Tommy has a fast car. Here, what kind of car? So this speaks about adjective. Second, Tommy drives fast. How did Tommy drive fast. So when we say how action is performed, this is called as adverb. Asha is a good singer. What kind of singer? What kind of singer? So good is an adjective. Asha sings well. How did she sing? She sung well. So this is called as adverb. So not all the adverb should end in ly, but it can also be like fast, like well, and there are some other words. So these are the difference between adjective and adverb. Okay kids, come on, look at me very closer, because I am going to tell you something important, that we have come to an end of couple of weeks. So far, whatever Elvin sir has taught you, I have taught you about nouns and its types, pronoun and its types, regular plural form, irregular plural form, verb, difference between adjective and adverb, what is abstract noun and what is collective noun. These are the grammar part which we have completed. Feel so happy. Come on, give me high five that not even a grade 10 kids can complete this amount of grammar in a couple of weeks. Okay, so your book exercise has been given to you and you are doing it in the right way. And coming to the classwork part, so whatever the grammar part which I have taught you and which I have uploaded in the YouTube, you have to copy it down as it is in your classwork. If you cannot copy it from the YouTube, I will give you a PDF form of all the grammar part which I have taught in couple of days. So after 2 days, you can make use of the PDF form and you can copy it down, whatever there in the PDF to your classwork. And thank you so much. I would really appreciate grade 4, 5, 6 for the greatest interest toward the grammar. So if you have any doubt, you can always feel free and happy to make a call or give me a voice message in the WhatsApp. I will be clarifying all your doubts, and thank you so much. Now, flying from you is your English educator, Elvin Solomon sir. Bye.